Johnny, won't you take me home? I wanna meet you.